here we are. I get to show you the Samsung Galaxy Book 3 Ultra right now. Let's open this beast up. Honestly, the question for me as I unbox this thing is it worth the hype? Because if you look online, you're gonna see a lot of chatter about the, super fast charging power supply. You're gonna see a lot of chatter online about this because Samsung isn't necessarily known for making, gaming laptops, but they are definitely known for making quality devices. So I'm very excited to get my hands on this. In the box, we have the power supply, the USB-C, charging cable, and the laptop itself. Pretty simple. Now for everyone's favorite part, including my own. Look at it. Ooh. This is not just another black laptop. This is gorgeous. This feels premium. This metallic finish just feels excellent. It feels premium and sturdy too. I think it weighs just under 4 pounds, which is incredibly impressive considering it's a gaming laptop essentially. And it's a 16-inch laptop with a dedicated GPU. So under 4 pounds, it feels really, light. So I'm gonna open it up here for the first time. And whoa, look at that, look at the trackpad. Okay, it's enormous. I have normal size hands and that's the trackpad and my hand almost fits inside it. That's incredible. That's a huge trackpad. Great for pinching, zooming, navigating in Windows 11, multi-touch gestures and all that stuff. The screen is enormous. I can't wait to turn it on. It looks like it has almost no bezel whatsoever, but there it is. Look at the keyboard. Look at that 10 key. Oh, I missed my 10 key. Oh, fingerprint reader right there for a quick sign on. No passwords needed. This screen, this display pops out at you immediately. It's a gorgeous 16-inch AMOLED display with 3K resolution and 120 hertz refresh rate. So I'm geeking out over this display. It supports HDR10 for enhanced contrast and brightness. I mean, Samsung is known for their incredible screens, right? On phones and tablets and other devices. So for a laptop like this, whether you're gaming or watching movies or working on creative projects, this screen is, it's gonna make your eyes real happy. So who do I think would really fall in love with the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra? Okay, well, let me do my best 2 a.m. TV commercial voice. Do you want to play Xbox or stream games on your laptop? Have you ever needed to use 2, 3, or even 4 apps side by side? Do apps like Photoshop, AutoCAD, OBS, or Premiere ever slow your computer down? Is your desktop PC getting older and you're wondering if a laptop can replace it without losing performance? Do you already have a Galaxy phone or tablet and wish your PC interacted seamlessly with them? Well, if you said yes to any of these obnoxiously loud questions, then you should seriously consider looking at the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra.